How to sign in into Yahoo Mail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in or sign in into your Yahoo Mail account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is search for yahoo.com and hit enter on your web browser. After you do that, you'll be on this page right here. If you want to sign in directly into Yahoo, tap on sign in. If you want to sign in into Yahoo Mail, you can simply tap on mail and then sign in directly to Yahoo Mail. After you do that, you can then, let me just use another account. You'll be on this page right here. What you'll have to do is type in your email that is associated to your Yahoo Mail, then tap on next. Then you'll have to type in a password, then tap on next, and you'll get logged in into your account. You might have to go through a captcha that will, you will need to prove that you're not a bot. And after doing that, you can just sign in into your account like this. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Okay.